you have natural hair, you're familiar with the diffuser vs. air drying debate. The proponents of each method claim it to be the best for natural hair. It is because the way you dry your tresses determines how they look. Diffusers, blow dryer attachments help define the curls, while air dryers give a natural finish. Both have their pros and cons, and you can choose whichever method fits your needs. If you cannot decide which method is best for your curl type, we can guide you. Watch this video to understand the differences between diffusing and air drying and how each can impact hair health and curl definition. Air drying naturally curly hair. Air drying your hair is going au natural. Most people consider this the healthiest way to dry their fragile natural hair. Let's evaluate its advantages and disadvantages. No heat exposure. Air drying the hair is the best way to prevent heat damage. Shampooing often strips the natural oils from your strands, leaving them vulnerable to damage and breakage. Blow drying can further amplify that damage. Is time saving. Blow drying your hair takes time and energy, as you must section your hair and then work on each section. On the contrary, you need not do this while air drying. This saves time and effort. No curl definition. Air drying can make your hair frizzy, and you may lose the shape of your curls. Frizzy curls are unmanageable, difficult to comb and style, and may lead to hair breakage. Wet curls can be uncomfortable. If you have low porosity curls, they may air dry quickly. However, high porosity curls can take forever to air dry, sometimes even an entire day. Staying with wet hair all day long is uncomfortable. Your clothes and pillowcases may get damp, and you may catch a cold or get a headache. Moreover, sleeping with damp and wet hair can lead to microbial activity in an unhealthy scalp. Use the right products. Use leave-in conditioners and curl-defining creams to avoid frizz while air drying. Pick products that cater to your hair's needs. Check the ingredients and opt for products that contain nourishing and moisturizing ingredients like plant oils, glycerin, and ceramides. Choose leave-in creams and serums that can also double as detangling products. Buy creams that provide a nice slip. Utilize the cool setting in your dryer. If you want to speed up the air drying process, use your dryer on the cool setting to avoid heat damage. Also, apply a serum to prevent frizz. Dry plumping. You might have seen the viral trend of people drying their hair wrapped in t-shirts. That is plumping. It involves wrapping your wet curls in a cotton t-shirt to make them dry faster. Beauty vloggers swear by plumping to speed up drying without frizz. Use microfiber towels. Microfiber towels absorb water quickly and speed up the drying time. They are gentle on fragile hair strands and help minimize friction, tangles, frizz, and breakage. However, instead of rubbing your hair with the towel, wrap it around your head and squeeze gently. Now that you know everything about air drying, let us see what a hair diffuser can do for your curly hair. A diffuser is a bowl-like attachment with multiple nozzles that changes the airflow for even drying. It does not manipulate your curls and helps maintain the curl definition. The advantages of diffusing. Curl definition. This is the main advantage of diffusing naturally curly hair. Using a diffuser and blow dryer helps maintain the original curl shape and add definition to it. Quick drying. A diffuser distributes the air evenly across your tresses, allowing them to dry faster. Controls frizz. A diffuser attachment can combat unruly hair by giving it a better and tighter curl formation. The more defined your curls are, the less frizzy they look. Its volume. Using a diffuser adds more volume to the hair. People with straight and wavy hair may feel happy about it. However, those with curly hair may end up with a poofy mane. Voluminous curls can be challenging to tame and style. Heat damage. Whether you use a diffuser or any other nozzle on a dryer, the problem will always be the heat. Curly hair is more vulnerable to heat styling due to its fragile structure. However, there are ways to minimize the heat damage and use the blow dryer and diffuser safely. Use the heat protectant. Always apply heat protectants to minimize heat damage caused by blow drying and diffusing. They contain silicones and other ingredients that shield the hair to prevent heat damage. Also, use a leave-in conditioner or oil to maintain hydration and less frizz. Use protein products. Repeated heat damage can lead to loss of proteins in your curls. Add a protein-infused hair product to your routine to repair and strengthen your curls. However, avoid using multiple protein products to prevent protein overload and change in the natural hair texture. Only apply protein products once every 2 or 3 diffusing styles. Any more than that will overload the hair with protein. Diffuse your hair correctly. Before you start diffusing your hair, Learn how to do it properly to get the desired results. Understand what settings work for your hair. You may watch tutorial videos or consult a professional hairstylist for tips. This was all about diffusing and air drying. If you are still confused about which one to go for, scroll down to the next section. You may choose any of the drying methods, depending on your curl type and convenience. Experiment with both and see which your hair responds better to. If you have high porosity hair and are in a hurry, you can use a diffuser to speed up the drying time. However, if you have low porosity hair, it can air dry quickly. None of the methods can affect your hair texture, curl type, and quality if you do it properly, following all precautions, and with the help of the right products. Both methods have their pros and cons. Pick one that suits your daily routine. We hope this video has helped you settle the diffuser vs. air drying debate and clarified which method may work for your hair. Curly, natural hair can be difficult to manage. Even small decisions like choosing the right way to dry your hair may affect how your locks behave. Therefore, it is best to do your research. Try different hairstyling and drying techniques, and observe how your mane feels. Ultimately, it is all about your preferences, convenience, and how diligently you care for your hair and follow the drying techniques. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.